declared grandmother. In one of these days, declared grandmother in her prophetic manner, we are going to find Timothy sitting on Muhammad's bed and no sign of cook except his clothes and shoes.
One more paragraph. Okay. So Gaurish, please read next paragraph. I think she is not audible. Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. Of course, it never came to that. But when Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. He grew steadily less friendly. When out for a walk with me, he would try to steal away to stalk a cat or someone pet dog. Sometimes at night we would hear frenzied cackling from the poultry house, and in the morning there would be feathers lying all over the veranda. Timothy had to be chained up more often, and finally, when he began to stalk Muhammad about the house with what looked like, मैम ये क्या लिखा है?
Where beta? What looked like?
मैम what looked like, मैम last second line में.
Villainous beta, villainous.
Okay, ma'am. Villainous intent. Grandfather decided it was time to transfer him to a zoo.
Yes. So beta, one of these days declared grandmother in her prophetic manner. Prophetic manner, she was predicting the future. Okay, actually this didn't happen. Grandmother was predicting the future that we are going to find Timothy sitting on Mahmood's bed and no sign of cook except his clothes and shoes. So that was a prediction of grandmother that one day this tiger will definitely eat the cook. Okay, what was the name of the cook? Mahmood. So she said that one day this will definitely happen. Miss Likhwalo, that this tiger will definitely eat our cook Mahmood. Of course, it never came to that, but when Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. No doubt, grandmother's prediction was not correct actually. Okay, it didn't happen at all. Timothy was now 6 months old. Now there was a change in Timothy. It was steadily less friendly. It was becoming steadily less friendly. Steadily means constantly, day by day, he was getting less friendly. As you know that tigers, lions, they are not capable of living with human beings. So it was getting less friendly day by day. When out for walk with me, he would try to steal away to stalk a cat or someone's pet dog. अब जब वो उसको वॉक पे लेके जा रहे हैं तो टिमोथी ट्राइड टू कैच anyone's cat or anyone's dog. ठीक है. So sometimes at night we would hear frenzied cackling from the poultry house, and in the morning there would be feathers lying all in the veranda. So this narrator's grandfather house had one poultry farm also where so many hens and birds were kept. So at night they used to hear frenzied. Frenzied means very loud and frantic. Frantic क्या होता है? In a worry. ठीक है? In so much tension. Just wait. In so much tension and loudly, the hens used to cackle. Cackle is the cry of the hen. ठीक है? Hen की आपने cry सुनी होगी कभी ना कभी. So that is called cackling. Okay. And in the morning they just would see only feathers all around. Means वो सारी hens को खा जाता था जो जो उसके सामने आती थी. ठीक है? Timothy had to be chained up more often, and finally he began to stalk Mahmood about the house with what looked like villainous intent. अब वो महमूद को भी फॉलो करता था उसके घर पे, एंड विद विलेनस. विलेनस मींस इविल. ठीक है, बहुत बुरा इंटेंट, उसकी इंटेंशन बुरी थी. ही एक्चुअली वांटेड टू किल महमूद. ठीक है. So grandfather decided it was time to transfer him to zoo. So it was very dangerous to keep him at home. So they decided to keep it in the zoo. Okay. Next one is Harmeet. Harmeet, please, next paragraph.
Yes, ma'am. Reserving a first class compartment for himself and Timothy, no one would share a compartment with them. Grandfather took him to Lucknow where the zoo authorities were only too glad to receive as a gift a well-fed and fairly civilized tiger.
One more paragraph.
About 6 months later, when my grandparents were visiting relatives in Lucknow, grandfather took the opportunity of calling at the zoo to see how Timothy was getting on. I was not there to accompany him, but I heard all about it when I returned to Dhara.
Yes. So now, beta, finally, grandfather booked one first class compartment, okay, in the train, and he reserved first class compartment for himself and Timothy, and no other passenger was sitting with them. It was obvious, okay, tiger ke saath, of course, no one would be ready to sit. So they reserved first class compartment in train, and then they went to Lucknow, where there was one zoo, and the zookeepers also, they were very happy to get a tiger who was well fed. उसको properly उन्होंने खिलाया पिलाया हुआ था, and it was a civilized tiger, okay, mannerful tiger, not that much dangerous, ठीक है. About 6 months later, when my grandparents were visiting relatives in Lucknow, so grandfather took up opportunity of calling at the zoo. So grandfather went to Lucknow once, and he got opportunity to go to zoo, okay, to see his friend Timothy. And Timothy was getting on. I was not there, so this narrator was not actually there. ठीक है, ये अपने parents के घर था, but he heard so many stories about that day. ठीक है, जिस दिन grandfather उसको मिलने गए थे, so he had heard so many stories. Now he will tell us that what happened next. Jasmine, please, next paragraph, Peter.
Yes, ma'am. Arriving at the zoo, grandfather made straight for the particular cage in which Timothy had been Ma'am, ये क्या लिखा है?
Interned.
Interned. The tiger was there, crouched in a corner, full grown with a magnificent tried coat.
One more paragraph, little 2 lines, beta, ये little paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, Timothy, said grandfather and put his arm through the bars of the cage.
Okay. Kasak, are you there? Kasak? What happened? Just wait. Okay. So arriving at zoo, grandfather made straight for particular case. Now he directly went to Timothy, okay, where he was sitting. Okay. Timothy had been interned in one cage. Interned means kept. Okay, उसको वहाँ पे रखा हुआ था. And the tiger was there, crouched in a corner. Crouched means to sit with bent knees. I told you yesterday also. Just wait. So in the corner, full grown and with a magnificent striped coat. And what a wonderful coat he had over his skin. जो striped coat होता है tiger का. Okay. Hello, Timothy, said grandfather, and put his arm through the bars of the cage. So grandfather was very happy when he saw Timothy, and very interesting thing will happen in this story. Okay, later on you will see. Okay, Chahek, please continue this paragraph.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, Timothy, said grandfather and put his arm through the bars of the cage. The tiger approached the bars and allowed grandfather to put both hands around his head. Grandfather stroked the tiger's forehead and tickled his ears, and whenever he growled, smacked him across the mouth, which was his old way of keeping him quiet.
Okay. So finally he met Timothy. Timothy approached the bars. Approached means come nearer. Okay? He came nearer the bars and allowed grandfather to put both his hands around his head. Timothy was so wonderful, so friendly that he allowed grandfather to touch his head. Grandfather stroked the tiger's forehead. Stroke means to touch someone lightly. Okay? So stroked is to move one's hand on something. And he tickled his ears also. जैसे हम animals को करते हैं, pets को करते हैं, he did the same way. Whenever he growled, he smacked him across the mouth. ठीक है, बीच बीच में जो टाइगर है थोड़ा सा ग्रोल भी कर रहा है. He is just showing his a little bit roar also. But again, grandfather smacked him. Smacked him means hit gently, which was his old way of keeping him quiet. और शुरू से grandfather उसको ऐसे चुप करवाते हैं. ठीक है. Okay, Weber, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, please read this part.
Yes, ma'am. He licked grandfather's hand and only sprang away when a leopard in the next cage snarled at him. Grandfather shooed the leopard away. Tiger returned to lick his hand, but ever now and then the leopard would rush at the bars and he would slink back to his corner.
Okay, that's it. So now, beta, next one is he licked grandfather's hand and only sprang away when a leopard in the next cage snarled at him. अब उसके बिल्कुल साथ वाले cage में कौन था? One leopard. I hope you have seen leopard so many times on TV. So leopard was there in the cage, and leopard was a very angry animal, ठीक है, at the zoo, and it used to snarl at the tiger time to time. Snarl means roar, growl करना, ठीक है, angry सी आवाज निकालनी. So grandfather shoot the leopard away, जैसे हम करते हैं ऐसे करके, ठीक है, he just did it, and the tiger returned to lick his hand. So time to time tiger used to come to grandfather, and whenever leopard came to him, again he went away. So this thing went on for 5-6 minutes or few minutes. Okay, next, Rajaran, please read it. Ago tak. Unmute first, beta. Yes.
Number of people had gathered to watch the reunion, which a keeper pushed him way through the crowd and asked grandfather what he was doing. I am talking to Taimur, said grandfather. We want you here when I gave him to the Jew 6 months ago.
Okay, that's it. Saran, continue please this paragraph.
Here,
I haven't been.
I haven't been here very long, said the surprised keeper. Please continue your conversion, but I have never been able to touch myself. He always very bad tempered. Why don't you put him somewhere else? Suggest grandfather. That leper keeps frightening him. I will go and see the ma'am ये क्या लिखा है? Superintendent about it.
Okay, superintendent is the head of the zoo generally. Okay, so I'm talking to Timothy, said grandfather. Okay, sorry. A number of people had gathered to watch the reunion. Reunion means when you meet your friend after so long, that is called reunion. So everyone was surprised to see grandfather just stroking the head of the tiger. Okay, it was so dangerous. So even the zookeeper also came there and asked grandfather that what he was doing. So angrily, zookeeper asked him that, how can you dare to do these type of things? I am talking to Timothy, said grandfather. Weren't you here when I gave him to the zoo 6 months ago? So वो कहते हैं कि मैंने इसको दिया यहाँ पे, ठीक है, free में. I haven't been here for long, said the surprised keeper. So keeper was very much surprised and he said that I joined this zoo, okay, just a few days ago, so I wasn't there at that time. Please continue your conversation. उन्होंने कहा चलो ठीक है, आप इससे बात कर लो टिमोथी से. But I have never been able to touch him myself. He is always very bad tempered. Bad tempered means dangerous, bad behavior. Okay, so zookeeper said that I have never been able to touch his head or go nearer. But how can you do that? He is a very ill-mannered, okay, mannerless tiger. So why don't you put him somewhere else? Suggested grandfather. Grandfather said that there is one stupid leopard, okay, living on the one side of this tiger, and he is continuously frightening this tiger. Why don't you change his cage? Okay, so अब zookeeper ने कहा, okay, let me ask the head of the zoo, okay, superintendent. Okay, Ipsa, please continue. Hurry up, please.
Yes, ma'am. Grandfather went in search of the superintendent of the zoo but found that he had gone home early, and so, after wandering about the zoo for a little while, he returned to the Timothy's cage to say goodbye. It was beginning to get dark.
One more paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. He had been stalking and slapping Timothy for about 5 minutes when he found another keeper observing him with some alarm. Grandfather recognized him as the keeper who had been there when Timothy had first come to the zoo.
Okay. So now grandfather went in search of superintendent himself, but he couldn't found. उनको वो head of the zoo नहीं मिला. And after wandering about zoo for little while, he returned. So he just went here and there to find the head of the zoo, but he couldn't find. He returned to Timothy's cage to say goodbye. Okay. So finally it was evening and it was just beginning to get dark. He had been stroking and slapping Timothy for about 5 minutes when another zookeeper saw him with dangerous look. अब एक और zookeeper उसको देख रहा था with a dangerous look on his face. Grandfather recognized जब आप किसी को पहचान लेते हो to identify someone. So grandfather identified that keeper. वो उस टाइम यही था जब इन्होंने टिमोथी उनको दिया था. ठीक है. So next, it's very interesting. Let's see what happens next. Yes, Chitesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, there's echo in your sound voice. Please speak up again.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it's fine. Yes,
Yes,
please.
ma'am.
Read it better. You remember me?
You remember me, said grandfather. Now why not you transfer Timothy to another cage? Away from this stupid leopard. But sir, मम्मी क्या लिखा है?
Stammered.
Stammered the creeper. It is not your tiger. I know, said grandfather. I realize he is no longer mine, but you might at least take a suggestion too for me.
Yes. So now this, so grandfather went to that zookeeper and asked him that कि उनको याद है कि वो कौन है, ठीक है? But sir, stammered the keeper, it's not your tiger. So zookeeper told him very strange thing that actually it was not Timothy, it was someone else tiger. ठीक है? ये कोई और ही tiger था. It was not Timothy. I know, said grandfather. I realize that it's no longer mine. कहते okay, I have given you 6 months ago. माना ये मेरा tiger नहीं रहा, but I deserve to give at least one suggestion. ठीक है? इतना तो मेरा right है कि I can give you suggestion about Timothy. ठीक है? Now who will read? Those who are sitting with the video, and I think I have given turn. Yes, Bishop, please continue.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I remember, sir.
Yes, Pata, I remember, sir.
I remember your tiger is very well, said the keeper. He died 2 months ago. Died? Explaining grandfather. Yes, sir. Of, ma'am, ये क्या लिखे?
Pneumonia, beta. Pneumonia.
Pneumonia. This tiger was trapped in the hills only last month, and he is very dangerous. Grandfather could not think of nothing to say. The tiger was still licking his arm. With increasing lavish, grandfather looked what seemed to him an age to withdraw his hand from the cage.
अब last भी पढ़ दो बेटा, little paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. With his face near the tigers, he murmured, "Good night, Timothy," and gave a keeper a scornful look. Walked, ma'am, ये क्या लिखा है?
Briskly out of the zoo. Okay. Now, beta, the harsh reality was that Timothy had died 2 months ago of pneumonia. Pneumonia, you people know there is one disease of lungs, ठीक है? तो उसको pneumonia हो गया था, and it died just 2 months ago. This was another tiger actually, ठीक है? Now I know, grandfather. I realize 1 minute. I remember your tiger very well. ठीक है, it just died 2 months ago. So of pneumonia, I will ask you this question also later on. So tiger was trapped. ये जो tiger उसके पास खड़ा था, it was just trapped in a hills. ठीक है, last month only, and this is a very dangerous tiger and wild tiger actually. So grandfather could think of nothing to say. The tiger was still licking his arm. अभी भी tiger उनकी आर्म lick कर रहा है with increasing relish. अब उसको टेस्ट आना शुरू हो रहा है उनका relish is taste. ठीक है, when you like someone's taste. So अब increasing taste के साथ उसकी आर्म लिक कर रहे हैं and धीरे धीरे just after 5 minutes अगर वो zoo keeper वहां पे नहीं आता तो what would have happened? So this tiger would have eaten or would have killed grandfather. Okay. So grandfather just withdrew his hand from that cage with the face near the tiger's mumbled, "Good night, Timothy." So mumbled is to speak softly. So धीरे से उन्होंने उसको बोला good night. Still he is imagining कि Timothy was there, but actually it had died. ठीक है, 2 months ago, and gave keeper a scornful look. Scornful means disrespectful look. कि इनसे tiger ही नहीं बचाया गया and it died. Okay. And walked briskly. Briskly means swiftly at fast pace out of the zoo. Okay, so that this story is written by Ruskin Bond. Slightly abridged means maybe it had been taken from any novel. उसका कुछ part है ये, ठीक है? So that was the story. Now your question. I will ask you question in this form only. You will solve this comprehension check on book only, and then you people will tell me the answers of these 8 questions also. Okay. So please get ready. First of all, comprehension check. And hurry up, please raise your hands if you have heard the story properly from me. अगर आपने story सुनी है तो you know everything. I'm sure. चलो let's begin. Wait. Okay, Madhav, please tell me first answer. Aditya, second. Gaurav.
First answer.
First question is grandmother's prophecy was that tiger. क्या tiger क्या करेगा? उनकी क्या prediction थी?
Ma'am, third would one day make a meal of mammoth.
Exactly. Correct answer. Aditya, second answer, please. It was 6 months
Yes.
ago. Then what change came over him?
And third option, Timothy grew less friendly, in fact, more dangerous.
Exactly. Now, Gaurish, please solve true, false.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first is false because it is taken in the first class compartment.
Yes, it was not a special
And
compartment. It was first class compartment. Okay. Second.
yes, ma'am. And ma'am, second true.
Okay. Third
And ma'am, third true.
and fourth.
Ma'am, I think fourth false.
Reason.
Ma'am, I think the zoo authorities thought that Timothy was a well-fed and civilized tiger.
Exactly. Actually, no person was there in the compartment with the grandfather. So how can they say that Timothy was a civilized? Passengers उसके साथ बैठे ही नहीं थे. Okay, correct. Jasmeet, next fourth one, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Second one, leopard in the next cage would constantly rush at Timothy.
Okay, leopard. Okay, leopard. Okay. Next is Chehek. Chehek, fifth one, please.
Yes, ma'am. Smelled fresh food.
Exactly. So these were MCQs. Okay, I hope they are clear to you. Now let's move to question answers, and please continuously raise your hand. I just want to see how much you have listened to me. Okay, next is Karthik. First question. Where was tiger cub hiding when grandfather found him?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Please tell me where he was.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the tiger cub was hiding behind the intricate roots of a banyan tree.
Exactly. So the tiger cub was hiding in the intricate roots of banyan tree. Okay, and grandfather found him from there. Okay. Next is Ruhani. Ruhani, second question, first part. What did Toto do to entertain Timothy? Or when he lost his temper, then
Yes,
what?
ma'am. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, Yes, you're audible. Both parts, Rohani. Second, first and second.
Ma'am, Toto would tease and pull Timothy by his tail to entertain him.
Okay, so Toto pushed. Okay.
Ma'am, and second.
Yes, pulled the tail of the tiger, okay, to entertain him. Okay, next second part. Adgun, get ready for the third one.
Ma'am, the second is Toto.
Hmm.
Toto climbed up the curtains when Timothy lost his temper.
Exactly. Toto climbed up the curtains when Timothy lost his temper. Okay, well done. Adgun, third question.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. T stands for the narrator Ruskin Bond. He thought so because Timothy would come closer to him, roll over on his feet, and pretended to bite his ankles.
Exactly. So page number 59 is given. I refers to the narrator himself or Ruskin Bond. And why he thinks so? Why did he think so? It's written better. He would come closer to him, suddenly made a dash from his feet and rolling over on his back and kicking with delight. This line, 59 page. Is it clear? Okay, next is Bishop. Bishop, please tell me fourth answer. Why was Timothy, where was Timothy's most comfortable place during day and at night also?
Yes, ma'am.
During day?
Ma'am, during the day, Timothy was most comfortable on a long sofa in a drawing room, and he slept at night in a cooking oven. Ma'am, cooking quarters, sorry, cooking quarters.
Yes. So cook's quarter at night and at day in drawing room. Drawing room was his favorite place. He used to lie on the sofa with great respect, okay, with great dignity, and he used to growl whenever someone tried to just get him away from that place. Okay, well done. Sarang? Number 5, grandmother's prophecy. उनकी क्या prediction थी? Did it come true? It's given on page 60, last paragraph. Page 60, last paragraph. Then Shubh, you will tell me sixth answer after Sarang. Yes, Sarang, please tell me. Okay, Shubh, please tell me sixth answer. He will.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, yes. Yes, Sarang.
ma'am, this make the grandfather to transfer Timothy to a zoo because it was having big size and
Grandmother's prophecy. Sarang, grandmother ने क्या prediction की थी?
sorry. Grandmother decided to transfer Timothy to the zoo because it was in growing age and
Sarang, I'm asking prediction, beta. You are, I don't know what you are telling me. Prediction क्या थी उनकी? So please tell me fifth answer. So try to speak. You are not audible.
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, please tell me grandmother's prophecy.
Yes, ma'am. Grandmother's prophecy about the cook was that one day only the belongings of the cook would be found. He won't be seen anywhere because Timothy would eat him up. But this did not prove true. Before Timothy could attack the cook, he was transferred to the zoo.
Exactly. Well done. So beta, answer 5, please write in would form only. Don't write in will or ismr form, would form. So grandmother's prophecy was that tiger would eat the cook one day, okay, and they would find only clothes and or kya tha? Clothes and shoes, but they wouldn't find cook anywhere. But this prediction wasn't come true because he had been transferred to the zoo before he could do so. Okay, okay, well done. Now, I'm starting from the beginning, from Gorish. Gorish, please tell me next answer. Next is, what made grandfather decide to transfer Timothy to the zoo? Please unmute. No? Okay, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute.
And Ruhani, get ready for seventh answer. Ruhani and Adgul.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the grandfather made the tiger transfer to the zoo because when the tiger became 6 months old, he was becoming less friendly and he was becoming very dangerous. So they had a fear that one day the tiger would kill them all and no one would be safe from him. So they decided to transfer the tiger to the zoo.
Okay, correct. No one would be safe. This line you can delete. Okay, otherwise very nice. Okay, next
Okay, ma'am.
one is Ruhani. Ruhani, number 7. Hurry up, please. We don't have time. Ruhani and
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, a leopard in the new cage snarled on Timothy. Every time the leopard would rush at the bars, and Timothy had to slink back to his corner. So the grandfather wanted him to go to another cage.
yes. So there was one leopard, okay, beside the cage of this tiger, and it would frighten him all the time. So that's why grandfather wanted Timothy should be transferred from that cage to another. What shocked grandfather in the end? This is the last question. Jasmeet, Shubh, Rajaran. Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Jasmeet. Yes, please.
grandfather was shocked to hear from the keeper, the keeper that Timothy was dead 2 months ago, and the tiger
Had died. Okay. And he was
2 months ago, and the tiger he was crazy was very dangerous.
yes. So grandfather was shocked to know that the tiger actually in the cage was not his tiger. Timothy had died 2 months ago of because of pneumonia, and this information shocked the grandfather. Okay. So you can do these 8 questions in your fair notebook, and उसके बाद एक discussion वाला topic है that we are not going to do in fair. ठीक है, discuss in group. We'll do that tomorrow, and tomorrow we are going to discuss debate also again. Okay. So I'm just leaving the meeting. Take care. I'll meet you tomorrow. Bye.